Yo, Shen, that woman are going on a whole heap of things in that star cause that woman rob up the whole of Garwood money, we didn't pick them.
Update in Andrea Lowe Garwood's murder case. 3 people are now in custody, with one of the individual being the stepson of the deceased. All of that and more coming up.
In times like these, anybody can fall. Judge me, I beg you have mercy upon us all. Coping with this losses, it's so hard to carry on.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, don't forget to stop by our merch store on teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMurray Yeah, go on over there to support the channel a little bit more. So people, this morning just shake up for everybody, when we found out that a brutal murder was caught on camera in a church.
Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen.
I did a video about that explaining what took place and everything. If you missed that video, you can click the top right hand corner of the screen to watch that video. If you are watching on YouTube, that is. If you are watching on Instagram, search for the video entitled Breaking News, Woman Shot Dead While Praying in Church. So we get some more information on why, or possible reasons why she might found herself in that situation. And we also learned that one of the suspects who is now in custody is the deceased stepson, John Star. What really happened, what really took place. Anyway, we are going to talk about it.
Please pray for me while me I pray for you. If the father call me home, I never wrote my wait for you. Condolences cause I'ma feel the pain, my grieve with you.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
Walla vibes.
In case you're wondering, the song I used for the intro is entitled Pray For Me. And the artist is called Adv. And me I go leave a link in the description so you can go over in page and go check it out and thing. Yeah man, support the song, a good song. So people, in the middle of doing this video, we get some damning information about what maybe happened, because it's still not really confirmed. So probably what happened or what led to the stepson being in custody. So people, me I go play the voice note right now. So take a listen.
Yo, Shen, that woman are going on a whole heap of things in that star cause that woman rob up the whole of Garwood money, we didn't pick them, Run out to pick them out to the house and all, man, have evil, brother. Woman wicked tip in them, woman make Garwood sell out the whole line house, man, put the whole line money in her name, and run out in little 14-year-old son. I think the 14-year-old son, Wicked. God would have about 3-4 bus. The woman run got the insurance, claims everything, youth. Because God would first wife is dead. So he run got married to this woman. It's a woman that claims everything left for you them pan in face. And one house of Rosite, the woman wanting to sell, when him first wife did bill, Brother, a whole heap of things that woman are going on with, man. Yeah, man, like a Garwood wife, man. Can I see a picture? If I see a picture, the woman got the insurance for the brand new bus. The woman claims every dollar and don't give you them none,
So according to the brother there, she thief up some money from her late husband. Because me they get some information again, say her husband died last year in a car crash. Right? So after her husband died, it look like say she want to take everything where the husband own and no want to give the pitney them none. You see me? And people, me just summarize what may happen or something me not really sure. We get a voice note here and we are put it out in the public same way. But what we can confirm is that the police have 3 persons in custody. And 1 out of the 3 is the stepson. That would have been Garwood's son. John Star. It's a sad situation. It's a sad situation. Me see other stuff are circulate on the internet about she involving in some credit card thing. And when I say credit cards thing, I mean a credit card boss. Because she work at NCB. So apparently she working at the credit card sector in a credit card department. And she, because of she, police confiscate millions of dollars in the same credit card fraud and end up lock up some people. So people did speculate say probably that's why gunman go fear in the church. All of them things we not sure. We not sure yet. What we sure about, 3 persons in custody and 1 of them are stepson. Yo, it's a sad world we are living away. Sometimes you have to just watch what you do and watch what you say. You see me? Because right now in the church, them go for your brawling. So right now what me see now we're not safe. In a church, them go for you. Out a road, them go for you. In your house, them go for you. At this morning, me scroll and me see an article say Jamaica are the most violent place in the hemisphere here right now. In the whole Latin America and Caribbean. So the Latin America and Caribbean consist of countries like Mexico, Venezuela, Colombia, all of them bad place there, Brazil. And yeah, tell we say we lead them in a murder per capita. It no good. It no good star. Some people would blame it on the music. Some people are going to blame it on the politician. But at the end of the day, we as a people need to come together and try put some things into place. Put some measures into place. You see me? And this thing where you are born informer, you are born this and you are born that. Yeah, them are informer now and you are born them out now. But wait till it reach your family. And you look somebody to tell you how really happen and nobody not talk. Because you see him one say you're born informer. Remember good no? You see me? So all of them things it need to stop. And panda topic there where Jamaica is right now one of the most violent country in the world and the most violent country in Latin America and the Caribbean. We are going to expound more upon that in our next video. Alright. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.